Hello everyone and welcome back. It is very important to develop sensitivity of children on the importance of preserving nature, and this can have surprising benefits also. I brought some activities and assignments for teachers to give their students in recorded classes. And small things can help the environment also. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So the first one is impact of lockdown on nature, or how could pollutants damage nature. Write few lines or draw a poster you can give to your students. Next is write few lines on techniques to conserve nature. Link your impressions, feelings and emotions to nature. Other question is waste like plastic bags and bottles make their own way into wild habitats, or the huge swirl of trash found out at sea with negative consequences to animal life. In this way, how can you help? Write few lines. Create a list of wildlife can be found around the grounds and create another list of extinct wildlife. Next question is make a poster including information about the endangered species along with what we can do to help protect them. Next is write any 5 ways to conserve water. Next question, make a list of all national parks of India. Write few lines about any one national park. Next, write any 10 simple things you can do to help to protect the earth. Next is, what can you do to help endangered animals? Next is, how does the balance of nature upsets and may cause other animals to suffer if we remove one plant or animal? Next is, how can you help to preserve the trees, such as recycling of paper? Other question, for you, what is the importance of nature? Searching and answering such questions can make a huge difference. Thank you so much. We'll be back soon with another useful video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.